Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you this Zelda makeup I do for my cosplay from The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So let's get to it. As always, I primed my face off camera and starting off with my Maybelline concealer. One ear off because it's going to keep falling off of me because it's windy out here. So stay tuned for the finished results, whatever that means. Anyway, apply it to any blemishes you have, apply it to your under eye bags, and your eyelids to prime your eyes for the eyeshadow and blend it out with a wet sponge. After that, I take my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation, spot it on my face, and then blend it out, of course. Any foundation will work for you if you have oily skin like me. But yeah, this is my go-to foundation. So for my Zelda makeup, I use two eyeshadows. First, a bright orange eyeshadow, and I blend it into my crease and outer corners. Then I take a red, and I blend that a little under my crease and in my outer corners as well, and blend it out. Then I use my eyeliner from Maybelline New York, and I make a very standard wing, nothing crazy, but nothing minor either, just very, mediocre. During all that time, I was waiting for my foundation to dry, so now I'm going to take my pressing powder from CoverGirl and just seal the makeup with it, and yeah. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes with an eyelash curler before I apply my mascara. And the mascara I'm applying, by the way, is from L'Oreal Paris. And I think now it's worth mentioning, I'm not going to use my eyelashes in this video, my fake ones, because it was really windy out. I only had one pair left and I didn't want to lose them. Moving on to the blush, I used a very peach-toned shade from my Ulta Beauty blush palette. And the final step is to put on this Ulta Beauty lip cream in this peach colored tone. And that's really it for the makeup. And that is how I now do my Zelda makeup from The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I hope this helped you out, and thanks for watching.